Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Also, if this is your first time, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hairstyle. My hair was freshly washed and freshly moisturized previously, so I put it up in a twist. Now I'm taking down the twist so I can begin the hairstyle, so I can prep my hair for the hairstyle. This is the hair I'm going to be using. I've used it in a previous video before. It's actually a crochet. So I've used it for different hairstyle earlier. This is it. Also, this is another picture of it. So I'm just unraveling it and then I'll use it for this particular hairstyle that I'm about to do. This is what it looked like after I unraveled it. I put my hair in a high bun and then I'm parting my hair. I'm going to be doing single individual twist. I'm actually twisting my hair for this hairstyle. You see what I'm trying to say. So I part my hair and then I'll twist it a little bit. I won't twist it all the way to the end. I'll just twist it a little bit. So I'll just comb through it and then apply gel to my hair, and then I'm going to twist it. I'm not going to twist this to the end. I will just twist it a little bit. I'm grabbing my hair and then my crochet pin. This is what I'm using, my crochet pin for this method. So I'm just going to use the crochet pin to grab this hair through my natural hair. I will also grab another one and do same. Just pass it through my hair. But for this one, I'll make sure one end is longer than the other. One has to be longer than one. So I'm just going to be wrapping this around my hair. Wrap this around my hair. To get the distressed look, you just wrap the hair around your thumb and then continue wrapping the hair. That's how you get the distressed look. So that's how you do it. And for the ends, you just wrap this around your finger and then wrap it back up. That's how you do the end. So I'm going to be repeating these steps. I'll just part my hair and then apply my gel and then just twist it halfway up. I'm not going to twist it entirely. I'm just going to twist it halfway up. So that's what I'm doing. And then using my crochet pin, I'm going to pass the hair through my natural hair and then do same for the other, and then make sure one is longer than the other. So I'm just wrapping this around my hair. So to get the distressed look, just wrap this around your thumb and then continue wrapping. That's how you get the distressed look. You wrap it around your thumb and then continue wrapping the hair. And this is what it should look like. Then continuing with same step, I'm just going to apply my gel. So I will just twist this halfway. And then pass the hair through my natural hair. Pass the other one. Then make sure one is longer than one. And then start wrapping this around my hair. That's what I'm doing. So to get the distress or butterfly looks, just wrap this around your thumb and then continue wrapping. It's just simple as that. And then continuing with parting of my hair, I'm just going to part my hair and then repeat the steps. Same step, apply gel and then twist my hair halfway through and then pass the hair through my natural hair and wrap it around. That's it's the same steps I'm doing. And then for the distress look, you just wrap it around your thumb and then continue wrapping. That's how I get distress look. As you are doing this, make sure one is longer than the other. So let me just show you guys closely how to get the butterfly or distress look. Wrap it around your thumb and then continue wrapping. It's just simple as that. So we are continuing with same step. I'm going to be parting my hair in front. I'll part my hair and then apply my gel and then I'll twist my hair halfway through. Pass the hair through my natural hair. Make sure one is longer than one and then wrap around. Wrap this around my hair. To get the butterfly or distress look, I'll wrap it around my thumb and then continue the wrapping. It's just, that's how I'm doing it. The same step I've been doing all through. In case you didn't get it, I'm going to be showing you guys one last time. So I just did the normal step, apply gel to my hair and then I'm passing the hair through my natural hair and then I make sure one is longer and then I wrap this around my hair. To get the butterfly or distress look, just make sure you wrap this around your thumb and then continue with wrapping till the end. That's just how I've been doing this since. So it's the same step I'm doing now. So I just wanted to show you guys one last time in case you didn't get it. It's not as distressed, but I'm happy with it. So I'm just laying down my edges and then I'll tie it down for some minutes, and then I actually went to do my makeup. This is how it looks like up close. So, and we are done. This is how it turned out. I just added accessories to finish it up. So that was the last thing I added. So this is the final outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video.